loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yummy D here, and today we're going to film an AliExpress haul. So I just got some few pieces from AliExpress and I want to show you guys, so definitely keep on watching to see what I got. Also follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. My Snapchat is YummyBroadXX and my Instagram is also YummyBroadXX, and I'll leave it right here on the screen so you guys know how to spell it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of hauls and you guys like hauls, so definitely subscribe to my channel. So let's get into the video. The first piece that I got from AliExpress is this blue kind of green iridescent top. It's a crop top and it's also very long, or a little bit longer in the back, and I really like the details on the side. On the side is like a lace detail on the side where you like looped it in, and then the rest of the string just falls and like hangs below. I really like that style of it. You can wear this with like some black high-waisted jeans or like leggings, and I thought this would be really cute, especially for like the winter time if you're going out with your friends. And then I got this in a size small, or whatever the smallest size was. I think it was a size small, and this was $11.95. So this is what the top looks like. I really like it. I went ahead and paired it with some black jeans, and I like how this just dangles and like hangs on the side. I love the sleeves. I love how it's like a bit like puffer sleeve, but it's not too much, you know what I mean. It's really cute. I like the length in the bottom as well, and this is how it looks like in the back. And this is a cute top. Definitely an outfit I would wear if I was like going out with my friends. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much, but then I saw it on the mirror and I was like, oh baby, this is really cute. I love. And then the next piece that I got is just a black simple blazer. I've been looking for like a blazer everywhere and I couldn't find it. I decided to try AliExpress's blazer just to see how it is. I got this in a size small, and it's basically like a simple black blazer. It has pockets on both the side of it and just one button. It's supposed to be oversized, but this just looks like a regular blazer to me. And you can dress this any way. You could dress this up, you could dress this down, you could dress this professionally. So I feel like a blazer is definitely an essential for your closet. The only thing about this is it's a very thin material. Like, it's not like a structured blazer, it's like a flimsy kind of blazer. But it's still really cute and nice to have a blazer in your wardrobe. But anyways, I got this for $7.07. When I tell you, I just be throwing pieces together and it just be coming together at the end. Okay, so this is the blazer. Everything I'm wearing with the blazer is from Zara. The shades, the crop top, and the jeans. So I really like the blazer. I love how this outfit looks together. The blazer is oversized. The sleeves are not really giving me a problem. Like, the sleeves are good. Like, they're not at a weird awkward length where it's like maybe you should have got a bigger size. And it is actually long enough. It passes my butt, and I'm like 5'9", and I really like it. I love this outfit, and I wish it was a bit warmer outside, but it's not. But this blazer is really cute. I definitely can't wait to wear this when it gets warmer in New York, but that's like a whole nother year from now. But yeah, I love the blazer. I think it was worth the price. It was only $7, and you can style a blazer so many ways. So like I said before, it's definitely something needed in your wardrobe if you don't have it already. So the next piece that I got is kind of like a fail. Like, you get a lot of hit and misses in AliExpress. This is definitely one of them. It's a gray heather shirt, and it just has Saint Laurent on it. This is like another top that AliExpress is selling that's kind of similar to this, but the price is really expensive. Like, it's like $35, and if I'm gonna spend $35 on it, I might as well just get like the one that's going around on Instagram, which I think is like $50. So I just think I might as well get that. But I wanted to try out what AliExpress had, and this is what they gave me. Like, the font of it is really bad. It just looks really like the font doesn't look how it's supposed to look. So this was definitely a miss. I got this in a size small, and this was only $2.35. So it wasn't really bad. So this is how the font looks like. Like, the Y is just ugh. I saw the Y and I'm like, no, not doing it. So this is the top. It would have been so much cuter if the words were just in the right font, but he didn't want to do me good. So this is the top. Went ahead and paired it with the blazer that I got. But this is how it looks like. Also tied it up. This is how it looks like up close. And this is how it looks like regular. Just a regular like long top. It definitely looks so much cuter tied up. So the next piece that I got is kind of like a soft teddy sweater, crop sweater. It has a zip as well as a elastic on the waist so it can like sit on your waist. It's a really soft sweater on the outside as well as on the inside. The lining goes all the way on the inside as well, and I really love that because this will actually keep me warm during the fall and the winter time. This I got in a size small, and this was $11.95. You can style this anyway. You could probably wear this with some jeans or some sweats. I'm definitely gonna wear this with some sweats because I feel like that's gonna make me really comfortable. So this is the top. I might look a bit washed out because I'm wearing a white top. I feel super hot in this, which is perfect. That means I can wear this when it's 30 degrees outside. These are at a good length, like it's not too short where it's like up to here. It's like perfectly like right here, which I love. And it's cropped but not too cropped, but you can make it as cropped as you want. Like you could put this down and you can also like rise up and it will stay. I pretty much like it like, yeah, like this. This is cute. And you can also zip this down. This is how it looks zipped down. Still cute and stylish. I love this. Still have on the same jeans I had on earlier throughout this video, and it's really cute. Love how this looks on. This is how the front of it looks like, and this is how it looks like in the back. And it doesn't shed at all, you guys, which I love, because you know when you order something from overseas and it just starts shedding like crazy, this doesn't shed. So this is perfect. So the next piece that I got is a two-piece set. And this is what the bottom of it looks like. It's just a white skirt. Definitely inspired from the brand My Mom Made It, but instead it has a label that says My Baby Made It. So it's just a white skirt, and it has reflective lining details going down like right here, and also a drawstring on the waist so you guys can make it tighter if you want to. And then this is what the top looks like, very similar to the bottom, continuing with the reflective detail on the chest, and also having the tag that says My Baby Made It. And this I got in a size small, and this was $14.44. Okay, I have to back up a little bit so you can see the kid. So this is what the two-piece set looks like. Really love. It's definitely a mini skirt, so you're probably gonna need to wear some tights if you want to wear this in the winter time. It's not see-through at all, which I love because it's white. It does reflect as well, but I don't know if my camera's gonna pick that up. And then, like I said, the tag says My Baby Made It. This is how it looks like in the bag. So the next piece that I got is a orange crop top. I just love this color orange on me. I got a two-piece set from AliExpress that was also this kind of color, and when I tell you I wore that top every single day, like I just love this color. It definitely makes my melanin pop. So I got a crop sweater so I'm able to wear this color during the winter time, and it just has a half zip and also a circle ring detail. I got this in a size medium, and this was $7.96. Thank God I got a medium, because if I didn't get a medium and I got a small, it would have been a wrap. But this is one thing about shopping on AliExpress. You gotta read the reviews, you gotta read the description, you gotta read the measurements, you gotta know your measurements, because you don't want to end up buying something, having to wait so long, and then it just doesn't fit you. So I got a medium. If you're gonna get this top, I would definitely go up 2 sizes if you can. I definitely should have gotten a large. The medium is fine, but it's a little tight. It's a little tight, like definitely tight around the arms, but it's cute. It's cute. Like I just said, like this color orange, it just does something to me. But I really like this, how the top of it looks like. I wish the sleeves were longer as well, so the large would have been great on me. Like I said, it's so tight I can't even stretch this down. So this is what it looks like zipped up, and this is how it looks like if you zip it down. Very cash. And yeah, I really like it. I love the color. This is how it looks like in the back as well. It's cute. I'm just gonna find a way to see if I can like maybe stretch the arms out. And then the other piece that I got is another 2-piece set. This is what the bottoms look like. This is inspired by the Nike and Off-White brand that they did. This is what the bottoms look like. It's just a black and a gray leggings. Has some stripe detail on the side, and it also has the orange and pink detail around the waist. And this is what the top looks like, just a crop top that follows the same detail as the bottom. It says Nubia Sports on the back, and it also says on the front, and it also has like a pink detail on the side. Very cute, very sporty. This I got in a size small, I believe, and this was also $14.44. So this is what the two-piece set looks like. This is how the top looks like. Love the different shades of like I'll say like gray and like bluish gray, and like the pops of pink, like the pops of color that it has. A really nice fit to it, and this is how the back of it looks like. I love it. And then these are what the bottoms of it look like. Really long, fits down my ankle. Cute if you're going to like the gym or like working out, but I don't do none of those. I'm just gonna be out here looking cute. And then the last piece that I got is a pair of leggings. It's just some black leggings that has like sparkly details. It's something that would make your outfit stand out more. You can wear this with a hoodie, you can wear this with a blazer, you can wear this with a white button up. You can style this anyway, and I just love it. So this is what the leggings look like. Like I said, I feel like it's definitely a nice way to make your outfit more cute and pop out even more. I love how they're not so tight, like you guys can see. They just feel really good and comfortable. So that is it for my video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed. Comment down below which one was your favorite piece. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
You got potential. You